The organizing shoulder bag is one of my customers' favorite bags for on the go. If you travel or you need to be hands-free, this one's going to offer you tons of space in the interior. The strap here is made of fabric and it's adjustable for your height. When you're looking at the front of this bag, it has got a zipper pocket here, a flat pocket behind that, and when you flip it around, it has another flat pocket. You can see here that their straps are on each side, which is very important because it makes it easy, it allows easy access to the inside, okay? Then when you're looking at the inside of it, it has another zipper pouch here, plus two more flat pockets, okay? This again is our organizing shoulder bag. Make sure to check online or in the catalog for our current prints and patterns that are available in this bag.